How to add a bank account for Stripe payouts in the application. Adding a bank account to Stripe lets us receive the payouts from payments we receive. So if we do not add a bank account, our funds will remain in Stripe and we won't be able to withdraw. So let's set it up properly in the app. So we open up the application, the Stripe, or we can open up it on the browser. I'm just going to use a browser. You can just go and do so and log in into your account. And once the dashboard loads up completely, what we can do is look out for the menu option, usually in the top left, select, and from the menu, select the settings option in the top right corner, right below the question mark and the other one. So tap on it and access your settings of your Stripe. So go ahead and open it up. Now within here, what we need to do is we need to look out for the section for payouts and bank accounts. You can scroll down from this section and go to that section for payments, payouts, etc. and go ahead and tap on it. So for that, within account settings, you need to go to the business section where we'll be finding option for payouts. We have account details, account health, public info, payouts, etc. So tap on it and access another page. So just go and do so. And once you do so, you may scroll down and go over complete this verification process first. Provide in your phone verification, your time zone, etc. And once it is completed, you will be finding another section for bank accounts, payouts, etc. where you need to enter up your bank details. Provide in your account holder name, routing number, account number, double check all of the details for accuracy. And Stripe may deposit a small verification amount into your account. You can check your bank statement and enter the amount in Stripe to confirm. And that step will ensure the Stripe can deposit funds securely. And after verification, you can even set it as default. And that's it. Now we have successfully added a bank account for Stripe payouts using the browser. Ensure that your bank account supports electronic transfer for that, and make sure that the currency also matches your Stripe account. But that should probably work out for you. So we hope this video was helpful. Make sure to give this video a like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.